Look at the cute little baby. What's up guys? It is 100 days before graduation. So I thought I would just vlog today. Hello! Today is Thursday and I thought I would do a cute little vlog. But I don't know if that pet shop is open. I tried calling them a few times.
Which pet shop?
It's called Whiskers Holistic Pet Care.
Oh my god, you're the worst.
I feed myself like flaming hot Cheetos and Chick-fil-A and I get
like,
Luna like...
Luna.
Good morning! A few days ago, I said I missed daily vlogging and was gonna start it up again. Past 2 days, didn't really do it. Maybe third time is the charm. Yesterday on my walk home, I kind of fell in an ice puddle and twisted my ankle. So I'm just kind of limping a little bit. I'm going to the econ building to drop off Ankita's homework because she is at work. And then, I don't know, my Fridays I have off this semester, so I think I'm gonna go start and get some food, run some errands, and take you guys with me for my boring but chill Friday. Alright, so I went to alumni to visit Chloe, and I saw her for a little bit, but look who I found!
What's up? I'm sick though.
He is, and he's being a baby about it.
Yeah, big time.
But now we're going to, I mean, today's my errand day, so I bought some hay for Luna. And now I'm at Central, and it's actually kind of weird vlogging through these hallways. And I'm gonna pick up petty cash because we're gonna go to dim sum this weekend. And then he's making me go to Skirball to buy Violet Ball tickets, which is supposed to be fun.
Yep, get trashed. These are our race talking, by the way.
Got it. Look, it's like the puddle I fell in, but deeper. Pro tip, if you don't want to buy your textbook but your homework problems are in the textbook, come to the bookstore, take pictures of it, and then go home. And that is how you save a lot of money, and you can spend your textbook money doing fun things instead. It is much later now and I'm home. We're doing dinner tonight. Mara is here. We haven't seen her since 2016.
Oh,
which is, I mean, it's like February of 2017, but we're doing our classic pasta meal and we have some of our wine.
Open bar.
Are you doing it?
Ew, that looks so gross!
It's a photo.
It's a video. I know how this works. And I ate all of your evidence.
I know those were. Right,
Holy shit, I'm really lit now. Okay.
Our pasta is ready. There's fancy chicken in here because Leo went to a really fancy restaurant called Lafayette for Restaurant Week.
And there's meat sauce because like, it's stupid.
Mara's been a vegetarian. There's Linda taking out the trash, wearing nothing, and it's 20 degrees outside. I come to Ankita's for a sleepover, and then
You're sleeping
I am.
Oh my god.
And then we have to lug this whole mattress upstairs.
No, because
So we started our evening out with a workout, and I'm a little drunk from dinner, so that was like a lot. But I kind of forgot everything but my pajamas. On the camera, it doesn't look like a boat.
Yeah, it's super comfortable.
Oh, it definitely looks a little more uneven from this angle.
Yeah.
All right, we're about to watch this movie, Dongle. It's an Indian film.
It's about women wrestlers.
We have some grapes.
Double.
We have
Feel good.
some non-chips to pair with the culture.
Yes.
They really just taste like pita chips though. All right, that is it for today's vlog. I will see you guys tomorrow. There's Kavia's leg.
Adding some animation or something.
Yes, perfect. Animation is all I need in my vlogs. Thank you for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.